Welcome to homework.
Okay, so here we have a question about a person who wants to understand the environmental conditions in Lake Michigan. And it says in the question, and this is the key, how both biotic and abiotic conditions affect this risk of E. coli. Okay, so biotic means living things, and abiotic is non-living things. So this is going to be the key, because the question is going to ask us, who should this infectious disease specialist collaborate? And we're going to look for somebody who specializes in both of these things. So let's review all of these answers. So first we have a ecosystem ecologist. So an ecosystem, the definition of this, which is important, is all of the biotic and abiotic things in a particular region. So this is looking to me like a really nice answer because of this question component asking about both abiotic and biotic things. But let's just check the other ones just in case. The next answer is a podiatrist. This is somebody who is involved in, foot health, as in your feet on your body. So this is way too specific and does not have to do with all of the abiotic and biotic factors in the environment. So this is probably not the answer. Next, we have a community ecologist. So this is interesting. We have to know what a community is. So community is all the biotic factors in a particular ecosystem. So this is close, but it's not going to help us with the abiotic factors. So this is probably also not the correct answer. And then we have a population ecologist. So we have to know what a population is. So population is all of the living things that are one particular species living in one area. So it's even more narrow than a community. So it's still only biotic things, though. That's the key. But it's just one type of biotic thing in one area. So because of that, we're missing the abiotic again. So this is not as good an answer as our original choice, which was the first option. So the key to understanding this was to understand the definition of ecosystem, community, and a population, and to match that to what the question was looking for, which is somebody who knows about the abiotic and biotic factors.